welcome you guys. You're going to need some plywood from Lowe's and also some spray adhesive I got from Walmart. To do this project, we're going to make a tufted headboard. So you're also going to need, after you spray it down, the foam padding, lay it down, add more foam padding, and then the batting. This is the batting that I put on top of it. I use this from Walmart, and I'll just put it on top of there, spread it out. I used 2 foam paddings because I wanted it to be thick. After that, turn it over, staple it down around the corners and the best way you can. Sorry if it's looking ugly. Flip it back over, and this is the end result as far as that part goes. Then I put my fabric on, and then I stapled it all around. And no sewing required for this project, not for me. I just stapled it. I eyeballed it, you all, and did the best way I could. But at the top, as you can see, it's still yellow up there. But I'm going to put some wrap right there and cover that up before it's all over with. And also, this is the overall finished project. You know, I put the rhinestones in it. I put my wrap at the top. Okay, and I used the staple gun to staple it down, and I really literally eyeballed it, you all. And this is how it came out. This is the first time I've ever done this project. And then I'm going to go around the end and trim off the extra fabric. The kind of fabric I use, you'll never believe, but I used a drape. A curtain drape I got. Instead of getting the fabric cut and they charging you by the yard, I just went and got a drape and put it on there and went on about my business. Then I got the rhinestones from Walmart as well, and I hot glued it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.